Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys enjoying your day. Hope you guys enjoying your evening, wherever you are. But man, what we doing? We back at it again, baby. Just see how you guys are making out over here today. Man, today we had a nice little push up, over the market, and we staying above this trend line, which I'm liking. Like I said, I want to close out. We gotta close out. Gotta close the day though above this resistance line. So we got close out today above close out today 89.2, or sorry, I say 89.3. And I think we should, if we can close out that day, close it out, and then I think we should push up to about 100 grand. About 90, you got another support right here, like I said yesterday, about 95,000. But I think if we close out a day, I think we should be good. I think we should be clear to go to 100 grand. But we still need volume. Volume is really low at the moment. All right. Um, but we have the support line down here as well. Support is at 81 by 81 450. So we have that support there as well. So we got to keep an eye on that. Ethereum, we seeing how Ethereum is moving. Same thing. Still low volume on ETH. Got some good news on ETH, but still low volume is on ETH still. So we got to see how that works out. We are above the support line, like we said. We're staying above it. Like we've been above it for about a week now. So we are staying above it, which is a good thing. But we'll go from there. And we'll look at Solana and see how Solana is doing. Solana, same thing. Like I said, as long as we stay above this 119, I think we're good. We're going to hit a nice little resistance right here. But we'll see when we get to about 150. 150 will be a key resistance when you're dealing with Solana. All right. So we'll see how that work out. But man, let's check out the market right now. We're looking at the crypto market. We're seeing, as you can see here, Bitcoin at 85.7. We had a little under 2 grand for Ethereum. We had XRP at 242, BNB at 621.46, and we had Solana at 133.83. So we can see right here, and the fear and greed actually went up a little bit today, guys. We're not at 27 like we were yesterday. We're actually over 30. So we'll see how that goes. But all season people are scared, man. And the market cap at 2.79 trillion. People are nervous right now, the altcoin season, man. And right now, if you just buy into the coin that you actually like, I think you'll be fine. But some of the good news, man, today we're looking at Fidelity. Fidelity files for Ethereum-based U.S. Treasury fund to be on chain, and this is Satoshi vision, man. To where what we seen that the whole Wall Street, the whole thing we had against Wall Street, the whole origination of Bitcoin, whole reason why Bitcoin is created and crypto created is because we seen that whole in 2008 that crashed, and everybody was like, "Listen, man, where the money was going? Why we didn't know what was happening?" And it was Satoshi like, "Listen, we have to keep things on chain. We need to see exactly what's going on." So as you can see, Fidelity looking to launch a tokenized version of its Fidelity Treasury digital fund on Ethereum on May 30th for greater transparency and tracking. That's what I'm saying. That's what it's all about. We got to see exactly what that is going on. You know what I'm saying? So Fidelity said March 21st, filing with the U.S. Security regulators, said on-chain will help transactions on Fidelity Treasury digital fund and an $80 million fund consisting almost entirely of U.S. Treasury bills. And looks like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton in the blockchain tokenization space as well. They're looking to join them, and joining Fidelity, looking to join them and what they're doing. So what we're doing, we're trying to keep Wall Street to be on chain. You see what I'm saying? It took a little while, but listen, almost 20 years. But hey, listen, I think Satoshi vision is coming true. And we're making Wall Street say, listen, we need some transparency. We want to see where the money is going. What is in the world is going on with the money? You see what I'm saying? So people not doing this and that, dipping and dabbling. You know what I mean? So we can see exactly what's going on with the money. I think it's a really good thing. We see the liquidation yesterday, guys, which is a good thing, man. We're seeing right now, we're seeing more shorts being liquidated, as you can see right here. More shorts being liquidated than what you call it, than in the last 24 hours than longs. So that's a good thing. So we're seeing 91 million in shorts got liquidated versus 53 million longs. So good thing we're seeing more shorts get liquidated, and that's even on a Sunday. So if you think about it, that's pretty good. And as you can see right here, and in the 12 hour 62, more than double. as you can see right here, more than double. So we see in the last hour, we see how everything's rolling out, but we'll see how in the long run, 12 hours more than pretty much double, and almost double here on 24 hours with shorts versus longs being liquidated. So, and as you can see, the ratios, more shorts is being liquidated on the exchanges, which is a good thing. And for a total of liquidations at 144.56 million being liquidated yesterday. So let's keep it going, man. Let's get on a Sunday, and we're running out. We're running out of the month, getting towards the end. I think we have a little more flushing out to happen. I think, we can see probably this week more short-term pain. We able to actually buy some of those actual cryptos. We're getting to the end of March, but I think we should see more short-term pain in which we'll be able to actually buy a little bit more this week. But remember, these are the great times to actually purchase when you do have these type of pain points here. I think we still got a little flushing out to do, and we'll get there. We'll make money off of that. But I think some good stuff, man. I tweeted about this yesterday. I think it was pretty cool, man, seeing this. It was like a little little rumor, whatever, something like this. You know, so I don't know if it's true or not, but it's pretty cool to see this. I seen this yesterday. It looks like
Just what yesterday. Oh, think Joe Biden would do this? I don't think so. Do you think he'd think of it? Do you think he knows what it is? No, but, it's very cool.
yeah, so I think that was pretty. I don't know if it's true, but it shows that you know the president has the Bitcoin white paper uh, hung up behind some curtains. I don't know if it's really true. I don't think it's really true. I think it's AI altered, but it's a really cool thing. It gives a good idea, you know what I'm saying? If this actually happens. So, I don't, like I said, I think it's altered, whatever. And you can see right here, we add context, is altered a little bit. But I think it's pretty cool to have that there, it's pretty funny. And man, I think it was a little hilarious and some good laughs over the weekend. But yeah, man. But like I said, man, this is pretty good. What we're seeing right now, we're seeing with crypto. We're seeing, we have a little push up, but there's no volume. And the thing about when you're trading, thing about when you're investing, or if you're looking for another move up, you want to see volume. Volume is everything. Volume is everything when you're trading, because it's all about volatility. But people that actually want to buy, this is a great time. We are in March, so just remember that, guys. When you're in March, you're gonna have lower prices. And that's across the board with crypto and the traditional market with TradeFi and also with crypto. So you're going to see lower prices, but you're able to actually come in, buy in, and there you go, ready set. You're all set, ready to go. It's like March. If you look at but the weekly time frame, even if you look in the weekly time frame for a lot of these projects, let's just look at Bitcoin. If you look at the weekly time frame, let's look at March last year, and let's see where we were at in regards to in regards to crypto. And you can see, okay, should you should you bought last year? You see what I'm saying? Should you bought last year, last March? And last March, we're looking at $62,000 Bitcoin. Now, would you been happy if you'd have bought at 62,000? And where we at right now? And also, September is always another good time to buy when you're buying crypto, also with stocks and everything. I'm giving you guys some good game right now. You see what I'm saying? September, Bitcoin was at 55,000. And look where it ran up to, it doubled. You know what I mean? So that's the thing. You want to buy on these months that's traditionally bad, because when you do that, you're all set and you're ready to go. You see what I'm saying? And when when the market is running, you position yourself in, you bought at the right time. So that's just right there. I just want to talk about real quick, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. But man, just keep on looking into the coins you actually like. Buy those coins and hold on to them, and then you're gonna see greener pastures, man. Like I said, after 100, I say by the summertime, I think everybody be pretty happy. All right, but yeah, I'm highlight y'all later. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. You got Crypto Chuck with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.